Так, чай подготовил, кофе подготовил. Доброй ночи. Долбоёб. Надо прикольно братан. Надо прикольно. Нихуя себе. Так, сюжет. Так, Мимана Каильевна. Лошадка. Чакаля, ребята, чакалянец. Самый быстрый конь на Диком Западе. Минута. Бля, тут метка там. Тоқтове. Палатка бар yapımdı. Камчатка, королора Хараза Гурьедин, пожалуйста. Для меня это важно. Кто? Кто? Я Не. Саватта битими. Да. Туватта битятами. Ой, сыград. Абау шашлык хайда бит. Ты кто незнакомец? Не хватит золота куда бит. Да ладно, я просто посмотрел, бля. Ладно. Нихуя не гостеприимный, пиздюк, бля. Заебал, бля. То там можно гиреть, да, бля. Мадут на там, бля. Конкретно пиздюк дягева, надо. То там она вопросительный знак, да? А, ну как, то там она вихата кадя качана. Торова бухает ее по-любому.
What's the problem?
Problem? No, there is no problem. Quite the contrary. Well, there is a problem. For me, but not for you.
I ain't got time for
No, no, wait! Give me a minute of your life. I might just change it forever. I'm Cristobal Valdespino, the renowned explorer.
Can't say I have.
There has been much written about me. I once had high tea with the Viceroy of India. I helped liberate South America. I've climbed mountains and swum across seas. I have had many women. I've spent the last 3 months hunting treasure on the American frontier. Beautiful country. Reminds me a lot of Almeria. But tomorrow I set sail for the island of Shikoku in the Japanese archipelago in search of the legendary Tokushima sapphire.
Well, good for you.
Hold on, you see this map here? They brought us all the way from here to California.
Yeah, I know who the Jack All gangs are.
Oh, them you have heard of. See? Huh. Well, rumor has it they buried gold somewhere in this area, but were killed before they could be seen.
А бля, кладку дерал, что ли?
This is the first that should lead you to the second. You just need to follow them.
Me?
Yes! Unfortunately, I am out of time now, but I am prepared to sell it to you for the low price of $10. A trifling investment for a man such as you, given the potential returns.
Так. Каюты, где что принимать депо? Так, купить карту.
Well, $10 and it's yours. A very wise investment. I
Стой.
wish you the best of luck.
Кто да? Спирт, где бы ты конкретно? Сука, разу кот-то вот. Так, где моя лошадка? Карта сокровищ. Так. Вам в руки попала карта, на которой обозначена, где закрылась сокровище печально известная банда Джека Холла. У охотника теперь доступно улучшенное снаряжение. Какого охотника? Бля. Так, это что такое? Игроки в покер, что ли? Той бля, вітри. Sok bari bana döverim mi? Kay galiba tehlikinde. Maktal. Tüm bu olayı. Yani işte öyle.
Do you smoke, sir?
Sure, but perhaps not as much as you.
Oh, no, don't worry about the Actually, take
Doğru bakın neydi?
a few.
Oh, thank you. What are all the cigarettes for?
Зря вы такая тугую. Тохнадно яха. Соберите все сигаретные карточки и отправьте их почтой в Фианессу. Мега тут, блин. Шынырбу, что ли, мега?
Okay, girl.
Я одно бите италдар был улай. Üç yaz kutu yanında. Doğu koyuyorlar. Horacanlar 5 yanın ödeydileri aynar olur. Onunla bu anla da ağacılar o. Ok 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 ok. Doktor da. Min akay Google diyor değil mi? Daha Google tahdim ya. Allah bak kalbim mut. Öğretmenle anlattığı gitti. Kopat ni. Кто задание вам там Михайловна? В смысле, бля? Охота за головами. Не, нахуй, кто мне атын задание yaptım ben demin. Легенда. Не, Миха. Сука. Да ладно. Бодгум тахюнна. А, нормально, братан. Мужик. Задание в этом расстыгано. Да, молодец, вернулся, красавчик. Охрана, не бзди, охраняющий дух. Да, Юра. Sevmiş ki yiyeyim de. O dedin de. Kötü. Бобля. Takan kalles zanne.
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
En что ли?
Looking at a few business things then.
Okay.
He'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw.
Бля, кинь его давай.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter
Так,
a
ага.
times or more.
Дорогой Артур,
It's me.
Я написал тебе это письмо уже 100 раз или больше. Но оно сегодня выходит как нужно. Это я. Ты уже понял, что это я. Увидев плохой почерк, я знаю, во время нашей последней встречи я собирался уехать и выйти замуж и сказал, что мы больше не будем общаться. Я много чего сказала и наверняка сказала от чистого сердца, но теперь я не столь горда, чтобы не разговаривать с людьми, которым я не безразлична. По крайней мере, была. Последние пару месяцев я жила в Валентайне. До того мне не везло. Это долгий история и не очень интересно. Но сейчас я здесь в городе. Я видела девушек, или как уж там их много вежливо назвать, это раньше жили с тобой и твоими товарищами. Еще в городе говорили о человеке, который был похож на тебя. Я бы с удовольствием снова повидал с тобой. Если ты готов уделить мне немного времени, я снимаю комнату на ферме Четвиков к северу от Валентайна. Твоя кто? Твоя Мари Линтон. Угу. Все? Старая любовь. О, лень. Понятно, хорошо. Алкоголик наш.
Lenny? Hey, Arthur. That knife sharp enough, ain't it?
Depends. Why? Feel lucky?
You?
Oh, before me, at least 6 generations were born in chains. And for the last 3 years, I've been running from every lawman and bounty hunter west of the Lannahechee River. So yeah, I feel lucky. I'm the living embodiment of luck.
That is one way of seeing things.
But I'm also scared. And in this game, you got to have luck and skill.
And stupidity.
The
Yeah, sure.
outlaw's trinity. Luck, skill, and just a dose of stupidity. Come on. You ain't too old and too slow just yet.
After you.
As you wish. You know, we should head back up that mountain sometime and make Jenny a proper grave. Some nights.
You like
Да, тренироваться. W-A-A-A-A. А я, бля. А я. Все. Играть.
Oh, you on my turf now, boy.
А я, бля, буду бой. А я. Ага. Так. А это кто, бля? Бля. Бля, мой тромборал тут, то народа. Кайдем, что ли? Угу.
you wanna play, huh?
Угу. Да, ну нахуй. DSA ödem yakına.
Keep it loose.
Oh. Saya puluh bertahan, menyam juga.
All right.
Bля, тут свою говорили, имею jargon что ли, бля. Ата өнөр шоуны үед дэх. Тугайд мандаг задаятан бабадаан болоо бардсан. Киадр от души покачивать ранее давит. Бля, хасан халапна явно стрелдун боожно мөкөн өөхө.
Take it easy. I got lumbago. Should have thought about that earlier. You could have stepped in.
I thought you had it covered.
Just wait till you're old. I'll be at camp if you need me.
Maybe try keeping your mouth shut next time.
Oh, come on. You'd all be bored as rocks without me.
Let's go, girl.
Бабам татабо барнехон. Анама дядюшка нахуй отсюда. Кай ханулар бұл жақтар. Нахуя себе гостиница стоит и кидастах. Так, мәшек күйтмәнді. Старая любовь 2.
Yes?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you, ma'am. Is Mrs. Bentley in?
I'll go see.
Нихуя без тетем. Ай, че красотка вообще.
Mary?
I heard you and your friends was around.
С друзьями, с семьей, бля.
Where's what's his
Надо, бля, в оба.
Да.
А так ким бар шака хурина галя багында.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Happened a while ago. Pneumonia.
bad business?
Sure.
So, are you
Arthur, I'm my family. I need your help.
You mean the family that always looked down on me? You want me to help them?
It's my little brother, Jamie.
I always liked Jamie, at least compared to the rest of them.
Давай, Артур, коммунист. Как-никак старая любовь.
He's broken Daddy's heart.
Если меха урку кемика дадлуком лехемете.
Money in my life. Me. I wasn't good enough.
I'm sorry. We need your help real bad. Little Jamie's joined the Chelonians, that strange religious order.
Good for him.
They're quite mad, Arthur. They'll kill him. You're the only person he'd listen to.
So, I'm too rough to marry into your family, but it's okay to ask me to help and save your family.
Короче, понятно, кому лехет Артур. Тохта деме. Помочь, конечно, бля.
Where is it?
Somewhere out near Carmody Dell, I think. The rancher there said he'd seen him around the Cumberland Forest. I just want him back, Arthur. If you find him, bring him to me at the station.
I'll see what I can do.
I'll owe you.
You already owe me.
Заю. Самец хрена. Он наварит и пиздюк. Ата баню забегем ваша атмосфера-то, сюжета, графика-то, он самый охуенный туга. Физика-то. Ол сәпкі қаяу тұрылы. Қанды кат түргенен, да, например. Легендарные животные, бултуын қайығын, кейін ачыштан өлі канарейін. Даже ақын маны хүйдден ехенгенде, просто ма көп бері ача түгені хүйрі оғатын. Бұны сөзі бәр қайыр. Пендесті қанды каньонда маны бар еді. Открытый мир. Қанна ваты хава хадия қынсы. Сыға бедім. Чуга тут такие ха. Так, я храб говорю храб. Заебись бы говорит. А там бы когда-то ладно. Стопулинки. Это кто такие? Так, лошадка. Так, уж больно. Ой, бля. Какого хуя журнал йде? Валим, братан. Не на того нарвались ведь. Сыга тут. Стан, бро, стан. Куда мы, братишка, стан. Пахай. Хамет, я спокойно. Кем дал хамет? Не да. Кот тут нахуй. Я карда не для была. Бля, забесик бы глыва тут. Стыдно свою жизнь нахуй баса суфт. Что-то я помню это задание, то кто надо. Тасыха свега.
Okay then.
Болродлер. Да, я что-то... Ну или стримка будем думать.
Gonna speak to the boy?
Arthur?
No, sorry. Your sister is very worried.
The boy has chosen a path, sir. A path to truth.
Well, his sister just wants to speak with him.
Arthur, I've chosen a path. The boy has chosen a path. He's chosen safety. What path have you chosen, sir?
Still searching, I guess.
We are all searching. Chelonianism is about searching. What do we search for, do you think?
I don't know. Safety? Safety and meaning?
Jamie knows the truth. But of course, you may speak with him.
Exactly. If your teachings are so great, what
Блять, монитор барал. Доктор. Заеба.
I'm not coming with you, Arthur.
just come and speak with Mary. Then make up your mind.
Leave me alone, Arthur. I didn't ask for your help.
Just stop and let's talk about this.
I was doing just fine by myself.
They're just using you. Telling you what you want to hear.
What the hell do you know about it, Arthur?
Бля, adam ya bunun üstünden koyup kaldım, suka. Aslında teorem de çoğu adamda mahkeme.
Leave me alone, Arthur! I didn't ask for your help!
Stop! Let's talk about this! They're just using you!
What is wrong with you?
They're just using you! Telling you what you want to hear!
What the hell do you know about it, Arthur? This is none of your damn business!
Sorry, girl. Oh, Jamie, your sister's worried about you.
You pop up out of nowhere? Hey, what are you doing?
Damn it, we gotta do this the hard way. Oh, you ain't stupid. You can see this is crazy.
You're the crazy one!
Yeah.
I don't have to answer to you!
Sakes, Jamie! Hold up a minute. What are you gonna do, Jamie? Live the rest of your life in the mountains with those people?
They're my friends! If you don't leave me alone, I'll shoot you! I swear it!
What are you talking about? You ain't no killer.
You don't know who I am! Are you crazy? Move! What's wrong with you? Please, Arthur! I'm a man now. I found something. A calling.
You're just a kid. You're making a big mistake.
I'm not taking advice from you. You're an outlaw. You leave me alone. They're good people. I'm warning you, Arthur Morgan. Leave me alone.
Please, kid. Put that gun down.
I warn you, Arthur. I'm gonna. I don't want to live anymore.
Kid, just calm down.
Leave me alone.
Now calm down. Let's go see your sister.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, kid.
Have I been a terrible fool, Arthur?
I don't know. I don't know enough about it. But one thing I do know. There ain't no shame in looking for a better world.
I missed you, Arthur. Are you and Mary sweet on one another again?
That's all a long time.
Oh, this wasn't how I thought today would turn out.
It's been a long time, Jamie Gillis. You were a kid last time I saw you. You didn't try to kill yourself.
You know, you taught me how to ride a horse.
Too well, apparently. Chelonia, though? Really? You'd fall for that?
They were very nice to me. They're decent.
I'm sure. Please tell me you didn't give them any money.
Of course I did. They rely on charitable donations.
Jeez, Jamie, come on.
I just wanted to believe that there might be something good coming my way one day. Guess that's dead in the water.
With the turtle.
Юра, телефонға хәрәт юрам бихи. Телефонға хәрәт әбәкен хасын надо булый. Он той нормально. Хәрәт юрам biz.
But your father's a bully and a coward. Don't listen to him.
Hey, don't talk about him like that.
Bu за нас да. Было что-то.
Good father?
Что-то вспомнил, когда такое было.
He won't be happy I saw you.
Please send him my worst regards.
Thing is, he's right. I'm not good at anything.
Come on, that ain't true. Tell me something you like. Don't think too hard.
Apples, I guess.
Apples?
Yeah, I love apples.
Okay. I was thinking more along the lines of carpentry, horses, or something. All right, go work in an orchard then.
By that token, you must really like shooting and robbing people.
I only like shooting young idiots who run away from me when I'm trying to help them.
Father told me what you do.
I'm sure he did.
Hey, are you still with Dutch and what was his name? Hester?
Hosea, yep, still the same, sort of.
And Annabelle and Bessie?
I'm afraid they're dead.
Shit. Maybe Mary did make the right choice.
No doubt. But none of it is anything like the nonsense you read in the newspapers.
So, are you two getting back together?
I told you, no. Just ask me for a favor.
You know Barry Linton's dead? Pneumonia.
She told me.
So the door's open, so to speak.
That's all in the past. Different people now. Here we are. Just waiting inside.
Morning.
Look out, it's common courtesy.
You're nervous about seeing her, aren't you? Hey, don't barge me.
Hey there! Careful!
Jamie! Jamie! Come home, please. Father's been very sad.
Father wouldn't know sadness if it died in his bed. But I'll come home for you.
My boy, my sweet boy. Come on. Oh, Arthur. Thank you. Thank you.
It's good to see you, Mary.
And you, Arthur. And you. Oh, you'll never change. I know that.
Вот и попрощались.
I feel like the luckiest man alive, and I feel like a fool. That woman confuses me and plays me for a fiddle like no one else alive. I trust I will not make a god-awful fool of myself once more. Well, I imagine I shall.
What the
You're going
hell?
down now.
You think I'm a pushover, is that it?
I'm only joking with you.
You kidding me? Fine. You just best watch it, friend.
Хуй заебал, блядь. А? Так. Аббас. Хозяй курок. Ебать, а куда? Просто мозг какой-то друг. Давай, лимачек, гаста нахуй. Тустума. Там тебе беру топада. Путевка ей будут. Бать, блядь, не открыт еще. Сука. Ладно, бежать и бежать. Я в розыске. Надо за... Моноклика начала. Опа, я здесь. Ай, да. Молча газ тут. Если кто на меня смотрит, да, или вы впервые сталкиваетесь на моем канале, сразу говорю, что у меня летсплей, ну, не летсплей, а стрим, точнее, да, на якутском языке. Если вы хотите, чтобы я говорил на русском, пожалуйста, так и пишите. Давай на русском, я буду говорить на русском. А так я буду всегда буду говорить на якутском, пока вы не попросите. Олегин сахатлыгар, пожалуйста, тохта девякат, день, обижаться не надо. Лошадка, успокойся, пожалуйста. Здоровье, не надо здоровья. На, кушай печенье. Ну да, спокойно побежим. Так, проверка, подожди-ка. У меня же это ОБС тупит, подожди. А, не, нихуя не тупит, все нормально. Здравствуй, мама. Я пишу тебе письмо. Здравствуй, мама. Еба, я снайпер. Отшипать. Кто? Слезь. Где мой ворон? Возьми ворона. Отщипать. Здравствуй, мама. Я пишу тебе письмо. Здравствуй, мама. У меня все хорошо, светит солнце. ДТП на ровном месте. Ёбаный в рот. Ограбить. Ладно, братишка, погнали отсюда. Не, да. Нормально все с ним. Вырубили. А вот и свидетели поехали. Хотя я же случайно. И он случайно, все нормально. А вот то, что ограбил. Бля, не надо было грабить. Ну так получилось. Здравствуй, мама. Я пишу тебе письмо. Здравствуй, мама. У меня все хорошо, светит солнце. Все нормально, у меня гора стоит туман. Мать не знает. Да ладно, все.
He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Effective partner if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is. As I said, keep your voices down. I don't want my boss here. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves to this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
An old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough, and you know I ain't there.
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. Tell you what.
Arthur,
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
He wants to take out your competition.
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage, also a son-for-boy's got what it takes. You survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more. They'll know it was me.
But they're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Дальнего родственника ограбить? Нихуя себе задачка. Бля, тийм би сэмжгээ хатвар доктор уудаггүй хаан бохор так гэдэм баас.
Lead the way. He says
О, таалса.
northwest of here.
Поехали, бро. Давай, Хозе. Аба, полет в космос полову-то, бля. Тут у меня похуем пробовался, а? Так, 10. Задание подождет. А помощь кто, бля? Нихуя себе, бля. Кормить надо он. Ага. Это я правда банда. Хочу возить. Я напрямую.
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Jose. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now. That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on.
Доктор, да мен опытом. На всякий случай лук. Возьму-ка.
There's the house. See the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay, let's take a quick look at the place. Nope. Okay,
Kim be hoch.
reckon we could do it now. Sneak in, and I'll get the coach. You can try the house. Or wait until morning, and I'll head over, distract them by putting on a little show. While you sneak into the house, find what you can, and then get the stagecoach. What do you think?
Ночь.
Do it now.
All right. We're ready. Let's go. through the windows before you go in. Make sure it's all quiet.
Так, родственники евреи. Взять. Улик не оставляем. Шумное ограбление. Да, круто, чтоб не мучился, а. Всем похуй было тоже. Всем похуй.
Come on, get on and let's head back.
Я за рулем, да.
We got everything we need.
Just one thing. I had to kill them both, unfortunately.
Hey, slow it down. And for Christ's sake, I wanted this clean and simple.
А баню ментов Пухмаров. Добрый персонаж. Который всегда всем помогает, тебе дух. Но, увы, на Джона Литанакам. Почему так-то? Ну, потому что в жизни я многим помогаю. А не того. Я не могу сказать нет. Тупо не могу. Вот именно Джонгоком лебе великий бе. А то нюга мен как бы топ лай. Противоположная сторона была. И вот именно нюга наоборот хочу убивать. Почувствовать персонаж человека. Не, маленькие уборки, а это я не хочу таким быть. Нафиг надо, бля. А так, у него вас почему бы нет?
Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent. Here.
Find any other coaches in East Side, see what I can offer you. Discreet. Of course. Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
И сколько я заработал-то? Хозе, блядь.
Sure.
Дальше иду, что ли? Так, пока испер киллерик мен тоқтап келемін жас кідем алыста.
told me something about a train.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
Need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
Nah, I ain't thought it through. You know, stopping a train, pain in the ass.
Sure, but what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable, oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. No train driver wants to be cooked alive.
Да, мимо атом микрофон oynattım şöyle.
That is kind of brilliant.
Good morning.
Доброто. Бұл тоқыра.
What you preparing for?
Greatest of gifts.
An unguarded stagecoach.
No, it's simple minded fool. Bison.
Bison?
Bison. In which you can get anything. There's some over on the plains, I believe. I saw a couple a long way off.
Good luck.
You want to come with me? I'll show you how we hunt one.
Sure. Why not? Okay, girl.
You know, it was before my time, of course, but my mother used to tell me stories of how her tribe moved with the bison. They lived almost as one. The bison went, my people went. They were the center of all life. We couldn't survive without them. They provided us with everything. Food, clothing, shelter, tools. There was a lot of respect.
I don't remember much of my childhood, but I think my people pretty much moved with the whiskey.
Well, my father did that too. Let's try over here, to the left. Over there. You see them all?
Wow.
Incredible, aren't they? We should only kill one of them. Keep them ringed in and you see if you can bring one down. Okay? As soon as you can.
Okay.
Заебал. Да, серьезно, что ли? Adottava. Ennen bultu hatammat.
Well done. All right. Skin and butcher it. Take the horns too. Can all be used. Good job. Stow that on your horse and mount up. I wanna go check something out. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, girl. Where are we going?
Let's go.
Thought I saw some scavenger birds over here. Just wanted to see what attracted them. No. Look. Bison. Shot and left for dead, it looks like.
Why would someone do that?
I don't know. But I see tracks heading in this direction. I say we follow them.
All right, lead the way. Been dead a couple of days at least.
Honda kayuti.
Could it have been an animal?
No, they've been shot. I just don't know why anybody would just leave them here to rot like that. Look, another dead bison. On that hill to the right. Come on. Shot and left for dead again. But this one looks fresher.
There's a camp there. I'm gonna take a look.
Okay. Czas wykropić. Просто жестко орластığını yedim. Поймите. Болтавта хаябыттар.
Dogs haven't gone cold yet. Maybe.
Tabii ki de just. бля, біздің бұлтыға мен жоғын бұлтандырыпты.
This way. We should have a good view from up here. Okay. You see anything? Arthur, look. Smoke to the north. Could be another camp. Let's go check.
Да, вижу. То норов-то.
Killing for fun. Think we can talk? I don't kill for fun. I kill when I need to. Look, more dead bison. It has to be them. Come on, wait up.
Угу. Абаста, блядь. Хули, бля, абаху така хамля. О, сука. Фу.
Bile farklı istemişti.
Да, бля. Если вы не поняли, раньше спал братишка. Он целых 2 часа спал. Он мимо меня прошел как привидение, я хуй знаю, блядь. Ебать, солнце, блядь. Не надо покурить. Когда я балса, там час. Так, дальше, Вареньяка.
What business is it of yours? What? We. It's not business of mine! Good God, you're crazy! I got a family. A family. Don't shoot! Stand back, Charles. I'll get you some answers. What the hell are you doing? Why are you killing those bison and leaving them to rot? I don't know what you're talking about. God damn it, tell us or you're dead. Oh, okay. We were paid to kill as many as we could to make it look like it was Indians. Just kill him, Arthur. No, please, don't kill me. I'm begging you.
Убить.
I've heard enough. Damn right. That's what he deserved. I've seen enough of this. I'm heading back. Okay. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth taking from their camp. I'll catch up with you later.
Отравленный нож. Бля, пиздец, как идти, да, читать маш. Твою мать. А, на адепта. Вторая лошадка, что она? Она кадахара. Эйте, жаға қалмод что?
Get lost! Don't mind me, I'm leaving. Ever consider... Okay, I'm done now, I swear.
Баскан де, бля. Один хуй наблюдает ловито, бля. Не понял.
Consider this a warning.
Sorry. I'll stop messing with you now. Shit!
Понятно. Сами захотели.
Too damn close.
You're done.
Заебал. Лёрин. Paska bitirin tuonne vielä. Öyle nakakahon siya tuwisin. Seba. Tabii ki de vereceğiz. Или подождать реально. Заебал, бля.
I'm warning you.
Calm down.
Чё за нахуй, бля? Хотя хавать что-нибудь. Заебал, бля. Вон тюдо, бля, там же чмологи, бля. Кадак, блядь, кадак, бля. Заебал, тут нахуй. Куда хуй победал тут? Бля, долбоёб. Ну и... Чё?
Чё?
Братан. Юра, я тебя зла не хочу.
Не.
Давай, поспи.
Да, переключу хотя бы, да? Нет или нет?
Не надо. Поставь телефон, поспи нормально. Заебался этот. Пропустить задание. Не, нахуй надо, бля. Давай, шантур, бля. Сэба, пропускай, короче, бля. Заебал. Понятно. Аббас, как нельзя это, бля. А, сука. Аббас müstahsın şöyle mi? Сука, не дай бог, сука, сағаттан бір, не дай бог, сука, сағаттан бір, блядь, сәрінен сокалар, блядь, ол. Ой, бля. Повезло вам, сука, ублюдки ебаные, блядь. Чем далеко, что ли, ползти, блядь? Заебали нахуй, блядь. Чему буду кюра идем, бля? Жалон то, бля, у вас то, бля, там, бля. Чумолар, бля. Ай, бля, силбак, что ли, бля. Хады девни заебали. Вот я перенес топливо, сука, кому, блядь? Хуй пойми. Вы это специально, что ли, кончили? Я не понял. И все по новой, да, по новой, все по новой, да. Бля, заебал нахуй. Кому, куда? Никаких подсказок, бля, просто тупо. Это моя ошибка. На каких подсказок? Хая надо, бля, хуй пойми, куда положить, что положить нахуй. Бля, голодный мой, честно скажу, бля. Из-за такой тупости, блядь. Ты. Поехали вперед. Топоненький нахуй. Теперь налево, налево, сука, поворачивать не успеваешь нахуй. Сейчас нас убьют, племя там, блядь. Налево гор, бля, не успели. Снова назад. А баску занимать, а то, бля, матом одно. Аж не выкинули, чтобы сзади, бля. Все. Нахуй тут лапнуть. Что, бля, посылкалым-то мен? Ади кому-то стрелять-то, бля. Мало что кому-то